What's up, guys? It's me here, and we're back with another video. And just I said, I'm letting my dogs out, and it's another one in the house. And me and Sander, me and my brother Sander, we cause you know how I have a shut up. You know how I have an iPhone. If you didn't know that, I have an iPhone 7, no, 9, 8, never. So yeah, and my stepbrother has not my stepbrother, my brother Sander, has my old phone, my iPhone, no, my Samsung, not 7, whatever it is, 8 edge, 7 edge, and so he can't get Fortnite, right? Because Samsung's
so that means I can get the Galaxy skin.
No, you have to get the Samsung Galaxy, yeah. And so I got PUBG on my phone, cause making sure.
Jeez. It'd be even worse if we had like rocky color.
And we got PUBG, and he got his first. He only has 2 wins, but Fortnite is more harder.
I'm just starting to play right now. I already have 2 chicken dinners.
Yeah, he's got 2 chicken dinners.
When you win,
Oh, it's first place, winner, chicken dinner. Me and Santa were just playing a few minutes or an hour ago, and we're watching the UFC fight. And we're waiting for Conor McGregor and Cabela.
We were like, it was Kahamid.
And Kahamid. And we
teamed
can't
out
rate. We got teamed out, and no, it was one guy. He was there, and he was sniping us. And
there was another guy who was killing me, which I killed him, and then the guy just sniped me in the head. Should we get ready out here in the dog's den?
Yeah.
In a minute.
So yeah, we heard that. There's Sander, and so yeah, we were playing. We got what place would you say? It was only like 5 people left, and no, 3 because it counts us. So there's 5 minus 2, so there was 3 people there, and yeah.
And it was just us 2.
It's my baby Star.
We don't know how to change
Kimba.
yet.
My baby Kimba, and there's just Jace. So yeah.
You have to go in,
So yeah, and that's it. See you guys. Like, comment, video on this video. Like, never mind. Erase for that. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. So guys, it did not stop for some reason. So, Sander,
bye.
You will put it in my face. Well, like, comment, subscribe, even though I said that like 5,000 times. See you guys next time.